I call on all of you here today to please become vegan, vegetarian, and march to Oris and Newton Rock with me now to tell Michael D. Higgins that the turkey is no longer the traditional Thanksgiving dinner! Well, actually, we could go to Coppers instead, whatever you want.
We love turkey for Thanksgiving. But we are going to pardon one turkey tonight, and I hear you submitted the application, and we've reviewed it, and everything looks in order. President Trump has authorized me tonight to do a pardoning in Dublin, and our candidate is Dustin.
Ah, thank you.
Dustin, I pardon you in the name of all that is good in America and for Thanksgiving. So actually, I'm going to pardon you for every Thanksgiving, but Christmas, that is not in my authority. Sorry.
Oh, well, look, you know what? Every journey of 1,000 miles begins with one footstep. I'd just like to thank you. I possibly will pop over and see Nicky D and get pardoned for Christmas then. And I'd like to thank you, gang out there. Thanks a million. Go on, you good team! I know there's a list of things I couldn't say, but oh yeah, there's one there. Donald, oh yeah, Duck!